Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating TOEFL reading passage about the Underground Railroad to master the complete the words task. I'll show you how to use context clues and logical flow to fill in those tricky blanks with confidence, ensuring you pick up every possible point on test day. If you'll find these strategies helpful, make sure to subscribe to my TOEFL for more expert reading tips. Let's keep working together to reach your target score. Let's start with the opening of our passage. This first sentence sets the historical stage and introduces our primary subject. Remember, the first sentence is complete, so focus on the context it provides for the rest of the text. The Underground Railroad was a secret network used by enslaved people to find freedom in the northern states or Canada. This sentence defines the Underground Railroad as a secret network designed for a specific purpose. It highlights that enslaved people utilized this system to find freedom in regions like the northern states or Canada, establishing the theme of escape and liberation. Now, let's look at a sentence that describes the support system within this network. This sentence explains the practical help provided to those on the move. Pay attention to the roles of the people involved. Abolitionists provided safe houses and food to keep them hidden from the dangerous men who were hunting them. Here, we learn about the role of abolitionists who supported the escapees. By providing safe houses and food, they aimed to keep them hidden from dangerous men who were actively hunting them, emphasizing the high stakes and constant threat of capture. We move now to the concluding thought of this paragraph. This sentence reflects on the broader impact of the network. It summarizes the human element and the ultimate outcome for those who used it. This system showed the strength of human courage while helping thousands gain their basic rights and personal liberty. The passage concludes by evaluating the system as a testament to human courage. Now we transition to the sentences where you need to complete the words. While these sentences don't have gaps themselves, they build upon the logic we've established. Keep the historical context in mind as we move toward the final challenge. Brave M. Brave men and W.A. Pine. The phrase starts with brave men and, which suggests a parallel pair of people. In historical contexts involving human rights, we often refer to both genders together, so women is the most natural fit to complete this pair. Therefore, the correct answer is women. Brave men and women often am process. Brave men and women often acted as GUA. E said, 2an, 28an, all procrassers. The sentence describes people who acted as helpers. Since the Underground Railroad was a path to find freedom, those leading the way would be known as guides. Therefore, the correct answer is guides. Brave men and women often acted as guides for TTA. Brave men and women often acted as guides for those seeking a BS, anas-een. The people were seeking a change in their condition. They wanted to move away from slavery toward personal liberty, so they were looking for a better life or situation. Therefore, the correct answer is better. Brave men and women often acted as guides for those seeking a better N. The sentence ends by describing the destination or life they were seeking. Since they were trying to find freedom in a different place, they were looking for a new life. Therefore, the correct answer is new. These say, you can people a brain to twos and time. The passage emphasizes that this was a secret network. To avoid being caught by those hunting them, the participants had to remain silent during their journey. Therefore, the correct answer is silent. The silent ni senti. This word refers to the people moving through the network to reach the northern states or Canada. Because they are on a journey to escape, it is appropriate to call them travelers. Therefore, the correct answer is travelers. The silent travelers quickly started nang. The journey was difficult and dangerous, involving dangerous men and the need to keep them hidden. This implies that the people struggled through many hardships to gain their rights. Therefore, the correct answer is struggled. Brave Emmy. To wrap up, always remember that the complete the words task relies heavily on your ability to connect the current sentence with the broader context of the passage. Pay close attention to the roles of individuals and the tone of the text, as these provide the strongest clues for the missing vocabulary. Success in this section comes from reading for meaning, not just for spelling.